The Samsung Galaxy S9 has just been announced and we managed to get a review sample of the retail unit. Hey, what's up everyone? Join us as we unbox and see what's inside the retail packaging of the new Samsung Galaxy S9. The Galaxy S9 comes in a familiar packaging which is almost the same as the previous Galaxy S8. Simple yet elegant box with origami-like packaging. First one out is the Galaxy S9 itself with some plastic covering with printouts. By the way, the review unit we have here is in lilac purple. Then we have the large wall charger with adaptive fast charging function. As usual, we also have the USB to Type-C port adapter. Here is the USB Type-C charging cable. And then, we have the AKG earphones with additional 2 pairs of earbuds. Lastly, we have the pin ejector here together with some documentations and warranty for the device. What's very surprising is that the box comes with a soft gel case for the Galaxy S9.